Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Brittany Christina of the Brittany Christina Collection, and this channel focuses on luxury, fashion design, and entrepreneurship. So if you are interested in any of those things, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like this video, leave me a comment. I would love to stay connected with you. So today's video, we are going to go over the best places to stay in downtown LA. So if you're anything like me and you travel for work trips or you just want to come see the city, you need to visit Hotel Figueroa. Okay, I absolutely am in love with this hotel, and I want to take the time to kind of show you all the room that I'm staying in and also all of the amenities that this hotel has to offer. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so we are in the front door. So we have like a little hallway entrance here that goes into the living space. But before we go into the entrance, there's like a little cupboard here. And so I want to open this up and show you guys what it looks like. It's cute little storage space where like a closet, has a robe, and also these little slippers. Comes with an iron, a safe, and a mini fridge. So this is like super cute, and I love that it's tucked away. So this is really nice. The suite that I have is a junior suite with a king bed. So because it's a suite, it actually comes with a little sitting area, which is super cute, and I am absolutely obsessed with the decor. So there's a lot of lighting, okay? But let's first look at this couch. We have like this velvet couch. I love this lamp. It reminds me of kind of like this old school type of like lamp. And then look at this, y'all. Now, if you see this background in one of my videos, you know, okay, I definitely could not not film content. I know I'm not supposed to use double negatives, but I'm filming content in that chair, so just stay tuned to the videos with the background. And I love this table. It's like a mosaic type table. This is just super cute. And then we have a TV here. You have an iron tucked away. You have a leather chair. Like, these seats are leather, by the way. They're super cute, super comfortable. And with like a little coffee station and some literature. So I absolutely love the seating area. And although the room itself, it does seem kind of cozy and small, it's still like the way that they have it set up, it makes it feel, it's just like smart. They have like a smartly, furnished room. So this is the bedroom. And it's actually kind of separated by a partition. I love the arches in this room, and I love the lighting. It is really, really cute. So you walk in, again, there's a partition. So I guess technically if you want to have someone sleep out here, you can kind of close the curtain and it will go all the way back. But we are met with this full-length mirror. This is me. Hello. Another window. I love all of the natural lighting that this room gets. And one thing I failed to mention is that all of the lights in here are motion censored. So if you, as soon as you walk in, they always turn on, and then I could just be in the bed going to sleep and it will turn off by itself, which I love. This is a king size bed with leather headboard and framing. And this is a little bit of the city. So just to kind of see what we got looking here. The hotel is right next to the Staples Center, as well as like the Microsoft Theater, and so many different things. There's so many different attractions. So I just am super in love. These are the two nightstands. I love the pictures, the decor, again, the headboard is leather. Look at the entrance to the bathroom. You have the farmhouse doors and another TV. And these TVs are huge, y'all. So, but let's get into this bathroom because the bathroom is my favorite part of this room. I'm like so obsessed with the bathroom. Okay, this is me, but look, don't look at me. Look at everything around me, okay? So let's look at this tile. The tile, first of all, let's look at this light fixture. This light fixture is super nice and modern. I believe this hotel was built in the 1920s. However, they newly renovated it, I think just a couple years ago. So it looks really nice. I love the mirror and how it like hangs on this, I don't know what that is, but this is a huge mirror. Okay, you have the double sinks with the marble countertops. I love the fixtures. It's like, it gives me like this old school Hollywood type of vibe. But it's super cute. But my favorite part of the bathroom are these doors, y'all. I am obsessed with these doors here. So this is the entryway into the shower. You open it up and you have tile and you have more of like a rock on the floor, which I am obsessed with. Look at this. I took a shower last night and it was the best shower I've ever had. Okay, like if you want to make sure that you're getting a room with a really nice bathroom, this is a winner. Okay, but not only, now we go to this side. Okay, this is like a separate room for the toilet area, and it's super clean and basic and simple, but I like that it is kind of like its own room. So this is just super cute, and yeah, the bathroom is my favorite part. I'm obsessed. So love this room. Absolutely love this room.
The hotel does include a fitness center. It is pretty small, but it has the essentials of what you need to get a good workout in. And the fitness center is actually connected to the rooftop. So from the fitness center, you can walk right outside and enjoy the beautiful weather, sit on some lawn chairs, have a sip of wine, and you're good to go. The rooftop does overlook the pool, and the pool is actually connected to another cafe, which they have really great parties on Sundays, y'all. So if you fly, make sure you fly on a Sunday, and I think even Fridays they do have DJs and everything at the pool. So it was a really good time. I do love is leading to the pool is a flower tunnel. This was so beautiful during the daytime. The flowers were beautiful, and even at night they do have light, so this kind of lights up this tunnel. So it is a really great area to take pictures. Actually, the hotel in itself is really good for shooting content. There's a lot of nice sceneries within the rooms themselves, and then just around the hotel to shoot really nice content. So if you are looking for a hotel for that purpose, this is definitely a winner. The hotel does have actually two restaurants within it. So this is Cafe Fig. It is in the near the front entrance of the hotel. The food was really good here, and I chose to sit actually outside. They do have heaters to keep you warm, but it is so beautiful to people watch and just kind of take in the scenery. And also, the location is impeccable. I mentioned before, located right next to the Staples Center, but also there is a really nice outdoor mall that is 2 blocks away, so 2-minute walking distance, and they have some pretty nice stores. So overall, this hotel is a winner. Definitely be sure to check it out and make sure to subscribe to my channel.